Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon for notification. Today, we're diving into the world of life insurance, the topic that's incredibly important, but often misunderstood. So, let's break it down for beginners. Life insurance explained for beginners. First off, what is life insurance? Simply put, life insurance is a contract between you and an insurance company. You pay regular premiums, and in return, the company promises to pay a sum of money to your beneficiaries if you pass away. What is life insurance? There are two main types of life insurance: term life and whole life. Let's start with term life insurance. Term life insurance. Term life insurance covers you for a specific period, say 10, 20, or 30 years. If you pass away during this term, your beneficiaries receive the death benefit. It's straightforward and usually cheaper than whole life insurance. Family enjoying time together, labeled term life insurance. On the other hand, we have whole life insurance. This type covers you for your entire life, as long as you keep paying the premiums. It's more expensive, but it also has a cash value component that grows over time. Whole life insurance. So, which one should you choose? It depends on your needs. Term life is great if you need coverage for a specific period, like until your kids are grown, or your mortgage is paid off. Whole life can be a better option if you're looking for lifelong coverage and a savings component. Family growing older together, labeled whole life insurance. Next, let's talk about the cost. Your premium depends on several factors: your age, health, lifestyle, and the amount of coverage you want. Generally, the younger and healthier you are, the lower your premiums will be. Factors affecting premiums. It's also crucial to choose the right amount of coverage. A common rule of thumb is to get coverage worth 10 to 15 times your annual income, but this can vary based on your personal circumstances. Coverage amount calculation. Now, how do you get life insurance? Start by assessing your needs and budget. Then, compare policies from different insurers. It's often helpful to work with a licensed insurance agent who can guide you through the process and help you find the best policy for your needs. Meeting with an insurance agent. Once you've chosen a policy, you'll need to fill out an application and possibly undergo a medical exam. After approval, you'll start paying your premiums and your coverage will begin. Application process. In conclusion, life insurance is a crucial part of financial planning. It provides peace of mind knowing that your loved ones will be financially protected if something happens to you. Take the time to understand your options and choose a policy that best meets your needs. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on financial planning and insurance. See you next time. Subscribe and thanks for watching.